साइलेंस रहता है, that tiny silence before actually camera rolls. How does that feel for you?
Nobody's ever asked me this question before.
What is the loneliest part of an actor?
मुझे ना बात करनी है यार किसी से, कोई है ही नहीं बात करने को. त्यांच्या हस्ते टायटल अनाउन्समेंट कोकणात केली आणि कोणालाही माहिती नव्हतं की ये फिल्म का टायटल अनाउन्समेंट हुआ है कोकण में.
As an artist, like, what is harder for you?
फियर. मैंने डिसाइड किया मुझे डर से ऑपरेट नहीं करना.
What do you do when you're not performing?
Sorry यार, what a question you asked actually.
Everyone watches the performance. Almost no one knows what it takes to get there. The doubt, the discipline, and the mini identity crisis. And sometimes the emotional hangover that lasts days. And behind all that, a real human trying to make sense of it all. Today, Siddharth Menon isn't here to talk about his characters. He is here to talk about the guy behind the characters, the messy bits, the magic, and maybe even the weird rituals he won't admit until I ask. So let's start with Siddharth Menon in a swank way.
Started from the bottom, now we're leading the way in a smart way. We're here to stay.
So, Siddharth, one thing always fascinates me, कि जो silence रहता है, that tiny silence before actually camera rolls. How does that feel for you?
Nobody's ever asked me this question before. एक्चुअली साइलेंस बहुत कम रहता है, मतलब एक्सटर्नली, क्योंकि फिल्म सेट पे ऐसा ही होता है कि अरे वो लाइट इधर ले उसका ये कर मेकअप रेडी रेडी रेडी, साइलेंस साइलेंस साइलेंस, ऐसे साइलेंस बोलते हैं लोग.
अच्छा.
I mean, of course, you know, to keep everybody silent. Silence. There's hardly any. There's literally like a second or 2 seconds. Sometimes if the scene requires, you know, the माहौल is such कि please यार थोड़ा धीरे से बात करना, ये करना. लेकिन very early on I understood कि I mean, you know, listen how meditation is, right? Like when you sit to meditate, you listen, you can hear all of these things, but you're creating some kind of a wall and you're just kind of going within, trying to. So that is what happens usually before action. You know, you sit there and everybody is doing everything. And you just let everybody do everything. Because it's not in your control, they're also doing their job.
And you focus on
You know, you focus because everything is happening so that after action is called, I can do what I can do. You know, everything is happening for that one moment. And also the moment isn't planned, you know, you're like, I mean, you know कि
होने वाला है.
technically होता है कि ठीक है इतने steps लेने हैं या, लेकिन वो सब कैलकुलेट करके भूल जाना होता है और फिर सरेंडर करना होता है. So I'm not thinking about in that silence, which is self-created also. I'm not thinking about the line which I have to say. I'm not thinking about what is going to happen. I'm just thinking about the moment before. You know, like it's the same thing. I think if I have to draw a parallel, जब बैट्समैन बैटिंग कर रहा होता है ना, he's at the stance. You can see the bowlers coming. He doesn't know what shot he's going to take when the run-up of the bowler is happening. Once it's released is when that happens,
moment.
right?
Yeah.
So it's, if I have to draw a parallel, it's something like that. But that silence is very, very important. You grow into it. As you go deeper and deeper into your own craft, your own, what do you say, method, I guess, है ना? तो meditative भी होता है. क्योंकि आप वरना बहुत फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाओगे कि यार थोड़ा तो साइलेंस दे दो यार, ये सब चीज़ें आप नहीं कर सकते हो बहुत बार. सो यू काइंड ऑफ कट आउट द नॉइज and then you just go, and then somebody calls cut, and then you're like, what up? Is that okay? Like, is that okay? And they say, yeah, it's okay. And then sometimes you just feel like, I mean, for me, it's a very personal experience for everybody. It's also what the other person is giving, what the your co-actor is doing, and each scene is also different. Um, sometimes chaos is required, but uh, the camera is only this, the frame is this much, right? Or whatever the frame is. And then you're kind of like placing yourself, but you're detached. So it's a beautiful space actually. I mean, I love that space. If you ask me, that's what I live for. All this peripheral is there. One has to do all of these things, but it's that, and how purely you can surrender to it.
Right.
Sometimes you're very purely there. Sometimes you're half-heartedly there. It's, you know, that's why sometimes you feel कि अरे नहीं वो सीन ठीक नहीं हुआ यार, कुछ तो गलत हो गया. बाहर जो देख रहे हैं उनको नहीं पता चलता है. कभी कभी पता चल जाता है कि नहीं इधर वो नहीं हुआ, you know, and that's why the directors there, that's why it's also you know, they say actors are very insecure. The insecurity is this, क्योंकि हाथ में कुछ नहीं होता. इतना आप सब कुछ कर लोगे, एडिटर वो एडिट आउट भी कर देगा, कोई
वो ही है.
you can't, but you can. I found that let me just be in the kick of this moment, and the rest
We'll see.
we'll see.
And again, everyone in their journey as an actor becomes an artist. So ये जो journey है इसमें, when do you realize now it's not just about acting, I have become an artist in this world?
Yeah, you become an artist, you become a public figure, you become a celebrity, a movie star, or you become a particular type of celebrity or be particular type of celebrity. So my challenge has always been to be somebody who you can't put in a box. You know, being in a box is comfortable. It's a comfort zone, you know, and many people like that, and fair. I'm not somebody who thrives in that, and which explains, I guess, my choices, my absence sometimes from the limelight completely,
Okay.
or the people who I work with, or the roles that I choose. Of course, I've also come to believe, I've said this before multiple times. You know, we don't choose the roles kind of choose us. But it's about balance also for me. You know, like we're all, in a sense, entrepreneurs also, right?
Of course.
You're an entrepreneur. You are. I mean, I'm also an entrepreneur. An artist has to be. He or she does not have a choice after a point. But the choice is, how can I run my business? That is my choice. How do I want to run? What is aligning with me and not aligning with me? What are the things that I have to do, and which I can say, you know what, I don't have to do this. I can. So it's just about creating that balance. But I believe that if you want to speak in business terms, the product has to be honest and unique, and R&D can never stop. I think sometimes I feel like I function in a company in itself. Like सब मैं ही हूँ, मतलब CEO मैं ही हूँ, फाउंडर मैं ही हूँ. नहीं, फाउंडर कोई और है. You know, CFO मैं ही हूँ, टीचर मैं ही हूँ, मार्केटिंग मैं ही हूँ. Of course लोग होते हैं, सब आपको सब
But
सारे
करना
पहलू
कुछ
आपको पता नहीं होता है, लेकिन तो लोग होते हैं, लेकिन द डिसीजन इज ऑलवेज माइन. तो मेरा R&D डिपार्टमेंट सबसे एक्टिव रहता है,
अच्छा
क्योंकि वो अगर एक्टिव नहीं है तो वो इवॉल्व
नहीं हो.
नहीं होगा. अगर इवॉल्व नहीं होंगे तो फिर काम कैसे होगा? फिर टेम्पलेटेड काम होगा. टेम्पलेटेड काम होगा तो फिर वो एक पॉइंट के बाद बिकेगा नहीं. आई डोंट लाइक टू से दैट वर्ड, बट आई मीन I mean, we are in business
Industry,
also. So to maintain uniqueness, and we make it very complicated. I've realized it's not that complicated because there's a lot of noise around, right? We just need to, as I said, go back to R&D. You do something, you see what it's happening, and then you go back to R&D. I feel like rather than taking that and exploding, which automatically happens. Film of yours becomes a hit. Maybe not at that point, maybe some years later. It reaches some years later. Film is very funny in that way,
Function
वो
with-
हाँ वो टाइम पे शायद
नहीं चलेगा.
हाँ नहीं चलेगी, लेकिन वो 5 7 10 साल बाद वो वो सडनली वो मच्योर हो जाती है.
And for that matter, any content. I mean, maybe for
हाँ.
that point, वो relevant नहीं होगा
वो
audience के लिए.
रेलेवेंट, हाँ
But
शायद वो रेलेवेंट है, लेकिन लोग रेडी नहीं है उसको एक्सेप्ट करने के लिए, उसको अब्जॉर्ब करने के लिए. तो इट्स लाइक अगेन आई डोंट वांट टू ड्रॉ दिस दिस पैरेलल, बट वो एसआईपी की तरह होता है, लॉन्ग टर्म गेन्स की तरह होता है कभी कभी. तो अगर कुछ उस मोमेंट में हो जाता है तो ऑटोमेटिकली द वर्ल्ड जस्ट कम्स ऑन टू यू. इट्स लाइक वुश, इट जस्ट हैपेंस. Everybody wants you, everybody's knocking, everybody wants to do a podcast with you, everybody wants to everybody wants to suddenly click pics with you, you're suddenly relevant, suddenly all the decisions you have taken are right.
and that time you don't realize कि
बनाने
भाई
वक्त तो पता भी नहीं था ना कि ये राइट है रॉन्ग है क्या है. मुझे पता था कि ये कहानी मुझे बतानी है, इन लोगों के साथ मुझे काम करना है, मुझे ये चैलेंज लेना है, और मुझे कुछ खुद को प्रूव करना है.
so the same thing happened with Dashavatar.
The same thing happened, and it happened in a very intense way.
Okay.
Like, I feel now that all that has happened with the film, and it's continuing to happen, it's just come on OTT, it's come on Z5, it's going to come on TV soon, it's going to release in Malayalam, dubbed in the theaters in Kerala, which is my hometown, which is something I'm really excited about. People kept asking me ki when you were making your Malayalam debut. Again, very unconventionally, in a very unconventional way, I'm making my debut in my own mother tongue. But I feel just before the film, I was changing a lot of things in my own life, like how I'm approaching things, how I'm approaching myself, how judgmental I am of myself, of the world, how much blame am I putting on the system. These were things I was re-evaluating.
Okay.
And when I was in that seeking period is when many filmmakers started approaching me. Some who I didn't know at all, many of them who were new. Many of those films which I've done, and they're all going to be released soon in the coming year. And I was just not bothered about the peripheries at all. I was just like, let me just come back to that silence. Let me just come back to which part of me is going to be open in this story. In a sense, that's what it is, right? We have all the characters within us. When you're getting a character, you're kind of trying to align with what's on the page. तो आप खुद में ही ढूंढ रहे हो.
Of course.
We have everything, no? हमारे अंदर क्या कुछ नहीं है, सब कुछ तो हमारे अंदर ही है. So I went back to actually looking at it in that way, in a much more intense way. And that's when Dashavatar happened. That's when Dashavatar came to me. And honestly, I was like, why am I in this film?
That's like
Yeah, हाँ,
why
मैं
don't-
क्यों यार इस फिल्म में? मतलब ना मैं कोकण का हूँ,
No,
मैं मराठी नहीं हूँ, वो तो एक है ही, लेकिन ना मैं कोकण का हूँ, ना मुझे मालवनी आती है, मुझे दशावतार क्या है ये भी पता नहीं है, ये जो फोक आर्ट है मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि ये ऐसा कुछ है। हाँ, आई नो कि कर्नाटका में है क्योंकि आई हैव ट्रैवल्ड दैट बिट, आई नो केरला में, आई एम फ्रॉम देयर, I know different folk arts in Maharashtra, which have come in cinema or which we've seen. You know, even being in cities, we've experienced that. And I was like, ये क्या है यार? Like, because we keep planning ना कि मैं एक ऐसा action film करूँगा. You know, yeah, like you know, I'll be good for a rom-com. I have a very, that's what people tell you. Like you have a very urban look. I have a lot of work which I do in Hindi. I do a lot of independent work. I do a lot of work on stage. I ventured into music this year. Like, and then this comes. Which you're just like,
If I want to go back and ask you, like at that point, when you're maybe accepting also, you have accepted also the script and you started working, have you felt, I mean, at that point of कि ये आगे जाके इतना बड़ा
नहीं नहीं नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. Not one of us from the film. In fact, any film that I've done till today, every film that I've done, I'm just talking about hardcore film. I'm not talking about web series or every film that I have done. I've been fortunate enough to work with a team जो ना सिर्फ वो फिल्म बनाने में इन्वेस्टेड है, बाकी आगे का प्लानिंग तो होता है कि यू नो यहाँ रिलीज करेंगे या ये करेंगे या उस हिसाब से मार्केटिंग प्लान करेंगे, ये सारी चीज़ें होती है. लेकिन एक भी मेरे फिल्म मेकर ने कभी, जिनके साथ मैंने काम किया है, उन्होंने ये नहीं कहा कि ये ना चलेगी, ये देख तो अभी ये इसका ये होगा उसका वो होगा. एंड आई ऑल्सो don't work like that. I think when I met Subodh and I met Ocean Film Company and all the producers of the film, and also Dilip sir, also the cast, everybody was just like, ये बहुत अच्छी कहानी है, ये बननी चाहिए. And it has to be made in the way that it has to be made. And the one thing I'm very happy about and satisfied about is more than the success of the film is the way the film was made. You know, for example, लोगों को ये पता नहीं है, हमारा जो टाइटल अनाउंसमेंट था, यूजुअली लोग सोशल मीडिया पे करते हैं, है ना,
राइट,
या फिर मोशन पोस्टर बना लेते हैं ऑफ द टाइटल. वो किया हमने, लेकिन टू द वर्ल्ड दैट इज द फर्स्ट कम्युनिकेशन, द मार्केटिंग कम्युनिकेशन विच वेंट आउट इज दिलीप सर्स पोस्टर विद द टाइटल. We launched the title in Konkan, in the Jatra,
अच्छा,
in front of those people, without social media, without any media, news channels, nothing, without any of the cast there. We did it in front of those people in whose land we made the film.
okay,
And we did it, it was done by the people who are the Dashavatari artists.
artist,
You know, त्यांच्या हस्ते, वी से ना मराठी में, त्यांच्या हस्ते टायटल अनाउन्समेंट कोकणात केली आणि कोणालाही माहिती नव्हतं की ये फिल्म का टाइटल अनाउंसमेंट हुआ है कोकण में.
अच्छा,
And I felt that was such a beautiful thing. You know, it's not necessary to always make a lot of noise. The noise is going to happen, but it was so important. And I really, these are the things which I think add to the success of the film. Because let's be very honest, no film is perfect. You'll always find flaws with the film. There are many people who have found flaws with the film, and we never claim to make a perfect film. But I feel like there are these things, these rooted things which we did, and without any. See, I'm also talking about it for the first time. I don't think none of us have spoken about it. This is a secret in that group. And one day we get a message from my director. It's like a long letter. He's like, this is what we're doing and this is what we're doing. And everybody was like, this is so beautiful. Yeah. जिन पर फिल्म बनी है, उनके लिए तो स्पेशल होना चाहिए ना.
राइट. एंड सो आई एम फ्रॉम वेंगुर्ला, कोंकण ऑफ कोर्स. तो मैंने तो बचपन से ये आर्ट फॉर्म देखा है. एंड लाइक इन सिटीज मेजरली इट इज ओनली परफॉर्म्ड इन मे बी जो मालवणी फेअर यात्रा होता, तो वहाँ पे जाके म्हणजे तिथे जाऊन बघणं आणि येणं. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दॅट, वेन दिस टायटल केम दशावतार, जेव्हा हे पण आलं तर की इट वॉज लाईक द एंटायर वॉट व्हिज्युअलायझेशन वॉज अबाउट की काहीतरी दशावतारी
Yeah.
याच्यावरती आहे.
Yeah, backdrop.
बट द एंटायर फिल्म द वे इट unfolded the relationship between maybe you and
Yeah, father and son.
father and son, and the perspective ki jungle is so important
Yeah,
and
yeah.
these things was so beautifully crafted. तर ते बघायला सगळ्यांनाच खूप असं वाटलं होतं. आणि लाईक आय एम रिअली हॅपी की कारण कोकणातली जी
Yeah.
दिस इज वन बिकॉज त्याच्यामध्ये कोणी फिमेल्स नसतात. ऑल द एफर्ट्स हॅव बीन डन बाय दोज मेल्स जे परफॉर्म करतात सगळं करतात. आणि आय विल से लाईक इट इज व्हेरी अंडर एस्टिमेटेड थिंग की तिकडे इट्स लाईक हा तर आज या देवळाची जत्रा आहे
Correct.
परफॉर्म करा.
Correct.
आज कुणाचा उत्सव आहे परफॉर्म
perform
करा. That's it.
Yeah.
But the initiative also that recently have taken about like the
Yeah,
Shautri
the
Mahotsav,
Mahotsav,
yeah,
which we did. Yeah.
we will definitely support the artists.
So that was what, I was happy that happened, um, because the film started with that spirit, and we made it in that spirit, against all odds. वैसे अगर देखा जाए तो आप अगर पेपर पे वो देखोगे ना फिल्म, उसका बजट शीट देखोगे तो ये नहीं बननी चाहिए, ऐसे ही लोग बोलेंगे कि ये फिल्म नहीं बननी चाहिए. नंबर्स के अगर आप बजट देखोगे ये फिल्म नहीं बननी चाहिए, मराठी में तो नहीं बननी चाहिए, बिकॉज इट वाज इन द क्रोर्स इन द डबल डिजिट्स, इन नॉट द सिंगुलर crore digits, in the double crore digits, which is difficult, judging by the state of the Marathi industry, which is, I believe, an industry with the most potential in this country, and which is growing, and we have to take risks, but this risk has to be taken. Like, it's like, people will think 3 times, but they did it.
And then out of all these odds,
Yeah.
like what do you like? Why do you think कि अभी इतना बड़ा success कैसे बन गया?
And I don't know. I really don't know. I mean, see, as I said, I've done a lot of films which are made with this pure intention, and but why a film works or doesn't work, I think I leave it to the analysts, to actually jot down कि क्या है क्या नहीं. लेकिन I think emotional resonance था. Not only for the people who belong to that land, like you, for example, but it cut across. That father-son, this thing also cut across. Also, there are, I think, multiple factors. I mean, if I have to talk about me personally, it had been 8 years since a film of mine had come in the big screen. It was all coming on OTT or all of these things. Or if it was coming on the big screen, it was overseas. So when I started promoting it, I could sense, and even the marketing people could sense, that people are waiting for you. They're wanting to see you because you have been there and you've now not been there. And it's not by choice, it's just happening. And now you're coming. And like, this is for all of us. It's for Priyadarshini, who does Hasya Jatra. But for her to be seen in this, it's also Dilip Prabhakar to be seen in all of this grand scale. It's the music, the trailer which was cut. So I feel like also we were true to the roots, but I think we were also true to cinema culture. To cut a trailer which is intriguing and does not give you the film. It doesn't give you the film.
Of course, by watching the trailer, you can't.
You're like intrigued. So all of these things which usually people don't do or had stopped doing, or those who do it, they are bracketed into some art film or independent cinema or something like that. We stuck to the OG way of doing things, for lack of better word.
Right.
And maybe that's what translated, because sometimes I feel like when change is happening and you're rolling with the times, but it's very important to go back to the roots. Have a good poster, cut a good teaser, introduce your characters in a way that sits in people's hearts, for example. And I really feel like maybe like you can't pinpoint यार क्या है क्या नहीं. It's just a coming together of things. Sometimes it, as I said, वो होता है उस टाइम पे, कभी कभी बाद में होता है.
I mean, when you have like pure intention and the teamwork, every sincere efforts and everything, it
yeah.
comes together to create another level of, you know.
Also all the way through.
Right.
क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि जो भी फिल्म है ये डायरेक्टर का भी मीडियम है. फिल्म मेकिंग इज अ डायरेक्टर्स मीडियम. Subodh was the whole and soul and final say on every decision creatively which was made. और कभी कभी वो भी हो जाता है ना कि फिल्म करते वक्त, शुरू करते वक्त वो है डायरेक्टर, शूट करते हुए, लेकिन एडिट टेबल पे कुछ हो जाता है. कुछ ट्रेंडिंग करने के लिए वो एडिट बदल देते हैं या टाइटल बदल देते हैं या ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स हैपन. And it was his first film, so obviously he's growing into it.
Of course.
And as a first film उसने मतलब इतना
Risk.
ग्रैंड वाला दे दिया. यूजुअली जो पहली फिल्म करते हैं वो छोटा करते हैं कि ताकि वो सीख सके, ताकि ज्यादा रिस्क ना हो, ज्यादा लॉस ना हो. लेकिन इसने तो पहले ही इतना ग्रैंड वाला फिल्म ले लिया कि he was also learning. And the good part is his producers, he's also produced on the film, but all his producers, all of us gave him the space to do, to stick to it. So it was a solo voice. I think that also helps. Too many voices spoil the entire broth. Yeah, we are all there to, it's a team effort. We're all there to suggest and, bring things to the table. But it is his film. He has to take that decision. So, I don't know. Is it because of all of this that the film is successful? But I'm happy that because we did all of this, the film is successful, and now we can successfully go out and say कि जब आप ऐसे बनाते हो फिल्म तो भी सक्सेसफुल हो सकता है. कोई फॉर्मूला या फॉर्मूलाइक ऐसी चीजें करने की जरूरत है नहीं. मतलब इवन इसके गाने जो है, अगर आप एल्गोरिदम देखो तो वो अगेंस्ट एल्गोरिदम है. Auschwitz Go is a song which is 6 minutes 54 seconds, which is anti-algorithmic, absolutely. But it's trending. I mean, it was trending when it came. Of course, radio पे जब बजता है तो radio edit हो जाता है, but the streams are there. It's there for you to see. So not getting into the nitty-gritties of it कि ये timing, ये कभी-कभी उस soul को चाहिए होता है उतना वक्त. तो ये सारे risks ली, and I'm glad it paid off. But if you ask me why, I don't know. And I think it should be like that, यार. सब जानने की जरूरत नहीं है. Why should we know everything? कि क्यों है, क्या है? Let's just live, let's just live in that silence. Let's take one step ahead.
Right. Just accept and just
Yeah. Let's just go and let's do what we feel and resonate with. Because as filmmakers, I feel we are not different from the audience also. हम भी audience ही है ना. मतलब हम कुछ ऐसे बहुत बड़े लोग हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Emotion is emotion, and filmmaking is it's the emotion that translates. है ना.
So talking about emotion, like for any script, any film, how emotion works for you? मतलब you go towards the emotion or you tend to get emotion.
You're saying while deciding whether to do a film or no, or you're saying
while performing.
while performing.
Okay, while performing, how does emotion works for you? कि आप emotion की तरफ जाते हो, like you try to incorporate with your personal life events or how?
नहीं, I don't do that actually. I mean, I don't. I think वो पहले जब एक्टिंग शुरू की थी ना, तो ये सारी चीज़ें, बहुत सारे वर्कशॉप्स आप करते हो, तो ये सारे टेक्निक्स आप सीखते हो. बहुत सारे टेक्निक्स है और कोई सही गलत नहीं है. इट व्हाट वर्क्स फॉर यू पर्सनली. तो ये वाला था कि draw from your personal experience, and that's a nice tool to have in your kitty, um, लेकिन in the last 6-7 years I've realized that that doesn't work for me.
Because how many times you will go back to that one emotion again and again?
And it's not, an emotion is not unidimensional, na? It's multidimensional. फॉर एग्जाम्पल गुस्सा सिर्फ गुस्सा नहीं है ना, गुस्सा उसका रूट इमोशन क्या है? रूट इमोशन गिल्ट है, हर्ट है, सैडनेस है। लोग अलग अलग तरीके से प्रोसेस करते, तो क्या हुआ है कैरेक्टर को, वो कैसे प्रोसेस कर रहा है? तो दैट्स द क्वेश्चन आई एम आस्किंग। और वो सारे सीक्रेट्स और सारे जो क्यूज है वो स्क्रिप्ट में है। तो आई वांट टू टेक माई सेल्फ आउट ऑफ द इक्वेशन, बिकॉज जो हम जीते हैं एज सिद्धार्थ और एज एनी एक्टर, हमारे एक्सपीरियंसेस होते हैं, तो वो परसेप्शन एक एक स्टाइल बन जाता है, हाउ टू परसीव थिंग्स और इवेंट्स, करेक्ट? एंड यू आर डिस्कवरिंग योर सेल्फ in that. But when I read a script, I allow the emotion to come to me. When you read a scene, there's something which is, again, I'm saying you're an audience again, right? Like when you watch a film or you watch a show or a theater piece or you listen to some music, without judging it, if you just allow things to happen, you react to it emotionally, right? That's what being an audience is. So that's what I am. I allow it to happen. And obviously there's a director, and you discuss, see, this is what I'm feeling when I'm reading. And the director's like, yeah, that's what it is. So that you hold on to that and you build and you build and you build. So that's how I go. I don't bring myself. क्योंकि मुझे वो नहीं चाहिए कि सिद्धार्थ का कुछ परसेप्शन हो उसमें, वो ऑलरेडी आएगा क्योंकि यू कांट स्टॉप दैट, इट्स मी हु इज प्लेइंग द कैरेक्टर। लेकिन वो नुआंस अगर मैं ला सकूं, तो वो नुआंस कहाँ से आएगा? वो यही से आएगा कि लेट मी अलाउ थिंग्स टू हैपन, एंड एंड देन यू जस्ट टेक इट फ्रॉम देयर। दैट्स
Okay. And as an artist, like what is harder for you, to get a role or maybe to accept that, okay, this is a deserving for me?
to get a role, as in to land a film or something. Everything is difficult, I'm telling you, in this is industry mein
But then there is a perception, na? There are some demands कि नहीं, I should be deserving for this particular script or this film.
बहुत बार नहीं होता है, यू फील यूर डिजर्विंग, लेकिन जो बना रहे वो उनको लगता है कि नहीं, आप नहीं सही हो। ये होता है, एंड इट हर्ट्स अ लॉट आल्सो, बट यू लर्न टू एक्सेप्ट दैट दिस वाज नॉट माइन, दिस वाज नॉट माय स्टोरी टू टेल।
Okay.
You learn through your journey, and as you grow older and wiser, कि ठीक है, what is deserving to you will come to you, and what is left you is probably for the best. मतलब whatever has left me and gone, in hindsight I'm always like, अच्छा हुआ वो नहीं हुआ, और जो आया है उसका मुझे कोई रिग्रेट नहीं है कि अरे यार ये क्यों हुआ, ये क्यों आया। उसका कोई रिग्रेट नहीं है मुझे, regardless of success or failure. I think that things always happen for a reason, and it's still unbelievable for me, Actually, the tough part is to deal with this unbelievability.
And I think as an art,
हाँ, कि मैं क्या डिजर्व करता हूँ, मैं क्या नहीं करता हूँ, लोगों को क्या लगता है कि, और फिर मुझे गुस्सा आना कि लोगों क्यों नहीं ऐसा लग रहा, कि उनको क्यों नहीं लग रहा है कि मैं ये डिजर्व करता हूँ, तो प्रूव करने के लिए ये फिर ये, और वो चक्रम, टू डील विद दिस एंटायर इमोशन। एंड व्हेन यू आर डीलिंग विद ऑल ऑफ दिस, कुछ आ जाता है एंड यू आर सडनली स्टम्प्ड, कि जैसे दशावतार में हुआ कि यू आर गोइंग थ्रू दैट, एंड देन अ फिल्म लाइक दिस हैपेंस, and they're like, okay, that's interesting. I was not lobbying for this. I didn't even know a film like this could exist. you know. But that's life also, I feel, right?
Yeah.
कि
And then, like, as an actor or as a human also,
As a human, yeah.
you have to live with uncertainty, and then
Yeah.
you just have to let it go.
Yeah, exactly. Like
Choose what comes.
मेरे लिए यही सबसे बड़ी सीख यही है कि इस क्राफ्ट के साथ या इस बिजनेस में कि इसने मुझे जिंदगी सिखाया, जो डिजर्विंग है वो नहीं मिलता, जो मिलता है हम उसको जज करते हैं कि ये मेरे कैलिबर का नहीं है, लेकिन जिंदगी होती है, आपको जीना है, प्रैक्टिकलिटीज होते हैं, आप करते हो, फिर आप मजा लेते हो, और फिर आपको लगता है कि नहीं यार, मैंने तो बहुत जज किया था इसको, या खुद को बहुत मैंने जज, गुड और बैड. तो आई थिंक आई एम वेरी लकी दैट the work that pays my bills and to a great extent helps me take care of my family, and my people and myself, and gives me some sort of material satisfaction, is also the work that teaches me about life a lot. क्योंकि आप एक फिल्म में होते हो, वो यूनिवर्स होता है, यू आर एक्चुअली लिविंग इन अ मल्टीवर्स, है ना. हर एक फिल्म एक यूनिवर्स ही है ना. आप जाते हो, आप
And you come out as a different
हाँ,
person.
आपका रूटीन अलग होता है, आप अलग लोगों से मिलते हो, आप अलग लोकेशंस पे जाते हो, है ना. अलग भाषा बोलते हो, आप अलग लोगों से मिलते हो, और फिर आप वापस आते हो बम्बई. and you're like, you're like, what is this? So you to be aware, I think if you're not aware, you can get lost in this.
I
You
mean,
can actually get lost in this.
has it ever happened to you that any characters that like you perform that stayed too longer than you expected with you?
In a bad way, like
No, in any way. Like it can be in a good way also.
हुआ है, but not in a way कि I can't let this character go, और ऐसा नहीं. Again, it is that अरे यार, ये फिल्म बहुत अच्छी बनी है, ये पहुंचना चाहिए. It's been with that.
अच्छा.
Like for example, I did this show called Disney's Aladdin, which is the Broadway musical show, in which I played Aladdin. For a long time, and still big part of me feels कि um, the journey of that musical is वो आधा अधूरा है. तो वो किरदार अभी भी मुझ में है. मैं कुछ कभी कभी मैं when I'm like, that was a very physically grueling part, because it's live, you're live singing and dancing and doing all of these things. I feel like that part of me is still alive, and I'm somewhere hoping कि वापस show on हो जाए तो मैं घुस सकता हूँ उसमें. So it's regarding that.
Acha.
Or certain films of mine which have not released. I think I carry them with me. पहले मैं बहुत ज़्यादा carry करता था, to a point कि life becomes very sad and depressing. It's like that. जब ब्रेकअप होता है, वो लड़की चली जाती है, और आप को क्यों चली गई है, वो क्यों चली गई,
सिर्फ सोचते रहते.
हाँ, सोचते रहते फिर हम सोचते ही रहते. तो एक पॉइंट बहुत बार ये भी हुआ है मेरे साथ कि मैं उसी को लेके मैं सोचता ही रहता हूँ, एंड इट्स लाइक इट्स अनफेयर, इट्स दिस, इट्स दैट. बट नाउ द इंटेंसिटी ऑफ दैट, थैंकफुली आई थिंक आई हैव गॉटन लॉट वाइजर कि ठीक है, वो है, बट दैट्स नॉट लाइफ. लेट्स मूव ऑन. लाइफ इज अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. That film or that character or that story has a destiny which you are not in control of. So let it go. Let it go. So in that way, yes, it has happened.
So, of course, we discussed that, but then has it ever happened that the craft is demanding more than you can give for any film?
I think it always demands. I don't know whether it demands or no. I give more, I feel, than
Okay.
than required. Yeah, I think as far as I know, on a film set, everybody gives more. Most people give more than what is required. I mean,
But
because you don't, you see, it's forever, right? एक बार shoot हो गया, it's forever. So to live with that fact कि अरे
guilt
यार
में
ये
रहना.
ना हाँ that's very difficult to live with. So yeah, I always give more, but it's also it's not in the same way, you know. Ki, what is it demanding, and in which direction to go always changes. But the thing is, if you're honest towards the approach, then you will also know where to draw the line, and you know, and that's a balance again you have to figure out कि कितना मैं जा सकता हूँ और कितना नहीं जाना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एवरी रोल के लिए हैं ऐसे जाने की जरूरत नहीं होती, बट इन दैट फ्रेम कितना मुझे देना है, ज्यादा देना है, क्योंकि कुछ रोल्स होते हैं बहुत डिमांडिंग होते हैं, नो कुछ लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल कुछ रोल्स के लिए भाषा सीखनी पड़ती है या फिर बॉडी पे काम करना पड़ता है, तो ऑब्वियसली with your readings and rehearsals and all, there is 10 other things which you have to do. Or sometimes it's just on set that the terrain you're shooting on is very difficult. You know, it's open, बहुत धूप है या बहुत बारिश है या बहुत ठंड है, और आपके कपड़े समर वाले हैं, तो what will you do? So they take something out of you to be present.
And
So
give.
these things keep happening, but yeah, the view to give it your all and more is something I maintain. I don't want to half do anything.
There are days when you're like, that is maybe one of the horrible days in your life.
Yeah,
Like, how do you deal with it then?
you don't deal with it, because what I realized is, again, I'm lucky to be a part of this work where when you're doing the work, you don't matter only. There's no space for you over there. In between action and cut, your day must be horrible. There must be some issues at home. You might be struggling with some things. But in the end, in between action and cut, उसके लिए space ही नहीं है ना. Roll camera बोलते हो तो आप भूल जाते हो सब. Because suddenly you're like, no, I have to give this shot. You know, maybe after that, you go back and you finish the scene or something and you're like, you're back in that, you know. But like, I felt like every time I've been in that position, sometimes it's happened early on, you know, when I'm doing theater. Stage से जाने से पहले, whole world is upside down. You know, your whole world is upside down. Fought with your girlfriend, or you know, something like that, or you know, you're tensed about something, or you've something at home is not right. But अभी शो तो करना है, यू नो, शो तो कैंसिल नहीं कर सकते. ऑफ कोर्स कुछ फिजिकली ऐसा हुआ हो तो कैंसिल कर सकते हैं कि यार ये पैर टूट गया है, ऐसा कुछ तो, लेकिन
Mentally तो दिखता
mentally, हाँ, you have to go. And once you reach there and once you put on your makeup, automatically I realize for me, I'm parking all of those thoughts aside. क्योंकि अभी शो तो करना है, ऑडियंस बैठी है. ऑडियंस को नहीं बोल सकते ना तुम कि यार गर्लफ्रेंड से झगड़ा हुआ है, so you can't do that. So you do the show, and in the show you're doing the show and you just have fun. You're completely there, you have fun, and after the show is over, I've realized I come back to my life better. Like I have solutions, or I'm calmer, you know, rather than just saying, oh, horrible. Sometimes just come out of it. And that way I'm lucky that my
In a
work,
better way.
my work allows that by default. होता ही है मुझसे. Like till today, touch wood, it's never happened कि, you know, I'm so disturbed or something is so this thing कि मैं blank हो गया stage पे. It can happen. It can happen. You're human. या फिर मेरे से scene नहीं हो रहा. You know, it can happen. और मैंने देखा भी है. And of course, as a co-actor, I'm kind enough to give space, or the team has been kind enough to give space. You know, let's take a break, let's do. And those actors have also been professional enough to say, "Ki, nahi, I'm sorry, just give me 10 minutes. and then you move on with your life. But luckily for me, which is what I think it comes back to what we spoke earlier, drawing from personal experience. I think I'm experiencing myself so much now in life because you're living with yourself only, no? Get fed up of living with yourself also. It's like, हाँ I'm getting to play a character. मुझे हाँ ये दूसरे problems दे दो यार.
नहीं दे दो,
हाँ
बस हो गया.
दूसरे problems दे दो मुझे. क्या कुछ दूसरा तकिया दे दो मुझे सोने के लिए. Whatever it is. So I keep tripping on this fact that it's like I'm a kid in a candy store. It's that big. It's like
Want something,
like I'm
right?
like yeah, I've got something amazing, and then I'm just having fun with it. When the fun goes, then it becomes a terrible experience. So I try to keep it light and fun.
So what do you think? What is the loneliest part of an actor or an artist maybe?
पूरी जर्नी लोनली है यार वैसे देखा जाए तो, which is again brings you back to life. You're alone in life also. People come and go. Like your family comes and they're going to go. Friends come and go. Or experiences come and go. The entire journey is a lonely one, and it's lonely multiple times also, in multiple ways. I'll tell you how. For me, I mean, how it is. Um, we've been taught that आपका काम जो है ना, वो आपका सबसे, वो आपकी आइडेंटिटी है. करेक्ट, यही सिखाते हैं.
Yes.
हम मार्क्स भी उसके लिए ही लाते हैं. हम काम ढूंढते भी है प्राइमरीली टू बिलोंग समवेयर कि ये मेरा पर्पस है. नाउ आई एम एंड योर सोसाइटी सेटिस्फाइड विद दैट आल्सो विथ यू. क्या ये क्या कर रहा है अभी, ये कर रहा है ना, ठीक है ओके, उसका अच्छा जा रहा है. वी आल्सो आर ट्रेन्ड टू डू दैट. वी गो थ्रू सो मेनी फेजेस वेयर we are not in anything, right? So your loss of identity happens and you feel very alone over there. That's why, and we work in camps, like we work in a film or in a play or something, and that becomes your family. That becomes your space. But one day it's going to end, Of course, some relationships, friendships carry on, but that energy is gone. The film is done, that energy is gone. And then you're back to being alone again because you're like,
सब अपने अपने रास्ते.
हाँ सब अभी कौन है. And not only that, you feel an artist is always an outsider to societal systems also, right? Like in every way. कि मतलब मुझे याद है यार, मुझे लोन लेने के लिए कितना साल लगा मुझे.
As an artist or
बैंक नहीं देता है ना आपको लोन. मुझे चाहिए लोन. क्या आपके पास सैलरी स्लिप नहीं है,
consistent income.
कंसिस्टेंट इनकम नहीं है, मुझे नहीं, आपको नहीं दे सकते. So you're constantly thrown out by the system also, right? By so you're alone there again. And sometimes even with the people who support you the most, you're very alone there also sometimes. Not because they're not supporting you, it's just that it's very difficult to explain to them what exactly is happening to you right now. What's going on? Which is why also I feel like I have a big respect to all my family members and my wife and my close friends. Because there have been times where I've been all over the place, and they have no clue how to handle. It's not their fault also. Because they're living their life in a particular way. They wake up, they go to work at a certain time, they come back. They have their things to deal with. जो भी office politics है या ये सारी चीज़ें होते ही. Every career has its own, challenges. But they're with me through this thick and thin, and this volatile whatever. And sometimes, like my wife keeps telling me कि now you're going on an outdoor अगर shooting होता, I'm the happiest क्योंकि I feel very comfortable outdoor. Many actors feel homesick. I don't feel homesick at all. In fact, I love home. It's not like I have a problem at home, but I love the travel of it. I love staying in hotels. You know, I'm very funny that way. It's like आप एक बबल में हो और सब स्ट्रीमलाइंड है, जो आपकी जिंदगी में कभी भी स्ट्रीमलाइंड नहीं है. आप एक टाइम पे उठते हो, आप शिफ्ट पे जाते हो, आप अपना काम करते हो, आप वापस आते हो, उन्हीं लोगों के साथ आप चिल करते हो, सो जाते हो, और ये 30 35 40 50 दिन ये चल रहा होता है, यू नो. एंड यू फील वेरी नाइस एंड कंफर्टेबल एंड यू आर लाइक क्रिएटिंग समथिंग दैट टाइम यू नॉट थिंकिंग अबाउट इट फिल्म नॉट इट फिल्म, यू जस्ट फीलिंग लाइक यू बिलोंग. When you come back home and suddenly you're, you know, again, I'm not blaming anybody, it's just the way it is. You know, suddenly your mom is just telling you, अरे पता है ये हुआ, पता है वो हुआ, you know, this has happened, that has happened, we need to do this, now you're gone, you were away, now you've come, now we need to do ABCD, now, you know, so and so's wedding is there, so and so's this is there. Although you're very excited and you know, I'm not somebody who just shuns them and says, "Kya re chodo yaar." It's not like that. I get also very excited. I'm like, ha, hu. But sometimes I feel like, यार, I've been through an experience. मुझे ना बात करनी है यार किसी से. कोई है ही नहीं बात करने को. कोई पूछता भी नहीं, क्योंकि उनके लिए काम है ना. आप काम पे गए आए,
Understood.
है ना. वो बाद में जब वो फिल्म देखते हैं, and then they come and they're like, no, tell us about this film यार, no, tell us यार क्या है.
मतलब तो बहुत
तब
टाइम
तक हाँ, तब तक बहुत टाइम. Of course, I do tell them, and you know, but coming, you
I mean,
talk about loneliness.
अगर मैं
like,
काम
yeah,
पे जाता हूँ,
yeah,
घर रिटर्न होता है, एंड ऑफ द डे यू हैव अ कॉन्वर्सेशन कि कैसा था,
Yeah,
क्या
yeah,
था, क्या
yeah,
कर रहे हो, बट यहाँ पे लाइक अ ह्यूज गैप
Yeah,
कमिंग
yeah.
बैक एंड स्विचिंग बैक टू
yeah, absolutely. So um, it's, again, I'm not romanticizing the craft of acting as in, you know, I'm in a character. I'm not saying it that way. I'm just saying the worlds are very different, and the world we live in is different. And then you end up feeling, and within the industry also, sometimes you feel very lonely. You know, sometimes you have a crowd around you, but you still feel alone.
Alone,
You
yeah.
feel, yeah, you feel like, you know, I don't belong here probably.
I mean, other way around, like have you ever felt कि set पे कभी ऐसा हुआ कि you
Oh.
expected that of course something good will happen, you will make relationships, good people, meeting them, but नहीं हुआ, workout ही नहीं हुआ.
नहीं, luckily for me, touch wood, आज तक ऐसे कभी नहीं हुआ. Even if it's a piece of work that I'm doing which I don't want to do, I think I've accepted कि चलो ये नहीं करना था, ये करना पड़ रहा है, चलो मजे करते. I think me as a person only, I'm like that, and I've been blessed with good people. So, you know, although once the work is done, I feel relieved कि अरे यार, दिल पे पत्थर रख के अभी मुझे ये नहीं करने, खत्म हो गया ये, it's done. But I've met great people along the way, and I on set I've never felt, probably in the process of you know, also you're meeting so many people, right? And in different phases of life. Like when I started out, somebody calls you to discuss a film or to do a screen test. You're entering unknown territory. Nobody prepares you for that. You know, and you're like, मैं ये हूँ. I don't know if I am enough to bag this role. And then you enter, and sometimes the person is dismissed you. You can see it in their face. You've died over there. ये किसको समझाओगे आप? ये खुद को रियलाइज होना ही बहुत टाइम लगता है, you know, because you're a hero in your own story, right? So you're always playing a character in your life in itself. But that's why also I feel like, you know, when sometimes people tell things about actors ना, मैं इससे मिला ये बहुत arrogant था यार. Behind that arrogance na, there is a human being there. There is a lot of reason. I'm not justifying his or her arrogance or his or her behavior. It's wrong to behave with people and treat them as beneath you. But there are reasons there. You know, there's trauma there. There are bad experiences there. There's walls there. You've had a experience and there are walls around you. You put walls around you to protect yourself because the hurt is too much. और तब उठाने के लिए
कोई
बहुत कम लोग होते, बहुत कम लोग होते, यू नो। एंड आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि इट्स देयर फॉल्ट, क्योंकि लोगों की जिंदगी भी है यार. यू कांट एक्सपेक्ट एवरीबडी एवरी टाइम to keep coming and lifting you. I can't expect my wife to or my mother to. Yeah, I can count on them. I can, or my friends, you know. लेकिन हर बार वही इंटेंसिटी से अपने लोग आएंगे ये एक्सपेक्ट करना भी गलत है. तो तब वो फील होता है लोनलीनेस. So yeah, but again that's life. I think we go through this in life also, right? Like
Yes.
you go through it in your relationship. कभी कभी आप खुद के पार्टनर से नहीं बात कर सकते हो, खुद के माँ बाप से नहीं आप बात कर सकते हो.
I think at
है ना?
times you're lonely with yourself also.
Exactly कि
And
हाँ
you just don't even want to talk to yourself
exactly.
also.
Yeah, you don't want to talk to yourself. So that's what I said. For me, this craft or whatever is the closest to life in itself. So I've realized that that makes me stronger. Like it's a give and take. You know, जब जिंदगी में मिसप्लेस मुझे लगता है तो मुझे काम ताकत देती है, और काम में मिसप्लेस लगता है तो जिंदगी ऐसे कुछ कर जाती है कि मैं वो हैंडल कर सकूं. But to keep an open mind and an open heart, to have the faith, the belief, the trust in yourself, in people, um, to give yourself space, you know, which is why also I'm an inconsistent person when it comes to social media. You know, that's the reason. It's not because I have anything against it. Yeah, there are a lot of things which are wrong with it. लेकिन यार मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि यार ठीक है यार, बनाना है या डालना है, नहीं, मैं ह्यूमन हूँ, या मुझे खुद के साथ भी थोड़ा वक्त चाहिए, मुझे सब नहीं डालना है यार. आई डोंट वांट टू पुट एवरीथिंग आउट देयर. आई डोंट वांट एनीबडी टू गेट रेडी विथ मी. I don't want it. I want to get ready by myself. That's something which is very personal to me. No offense to anybody who do that. They like it, they can do it. लेकिन जब ये फीडबैक आता है ना आपको कि why don't you do this, get ready with me, लेकिन मुझे नहीं करना है यार. That's a only my wife gets ready with me. Nobody else gets ready with me. Nobody gets ready with me. I'm sorry. So these are the parts where also you feel misplaced na ki yaar, am I not with the times? You know, you end up feeling lonely over there.
Like maybe like सबके social media presence है. What if I'm not there?
I'm not there, what if I'm- fear. मैंने डिसाइड किया है मुझे डर से ऑपरेट नहीं करना. डर होता ही है. यू नो, यू एंटर अ न्यू रोल, यू आर फियरिंग कि यार क्या मैं कर पाऊंगा. ये कर दिया, ओके, ये कर दिया, क्या ये चलेगी, यू नो. लेकिन उस फियर से मुझे डिसीजंस मुझे नहीं लेना.
And
वो
you
भले ही-
change your life.
हाँ,
because
भले ही गलत हो, नो प्रॉब्लम. आई वॉन्ट टू वर्क फ्रॉम अ स्पेस ऑफ लव इज वॉट आई हैव डिसाइड. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम हियर टुडे. There's no big calculation. I don't know you're following her. I don't know anything. I mean, yeah, you send me your page very gracefully. I checked it out and we spoke. Something resonated. मैं आ गया बस. Like I'm in this space right now. और मुझे खुशी मिलती है. It makes my loneliness a lot less lonelier. if that helps. You know.
Nice. थोड़ी देर पहले you were saying कि कभी कभी ऐसे दिल पे पत्थर लेके कुछ काम करना.
हाँ.
So has it ever happened कि forget of happening, just tell me कि what is that one thing that you would never do? दिल पे पत्थर भी नहीं रखना, but मुझे ये काम नहीं करना है. Just to you know, fulfill that rose demand or something.
I mean, there is no one thing ऐसा, I think ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. लेकिन देखो, हर प्रोजेक्ट में सब कुछ अपने हिसाब से होगा ऐसा तो नहीं होगा. बहुत कम है. इनफैक्ट मैं 15-16 साल से काम कर रहा हूँ, देर आर वेरी फ्यू प्रोजेक्ट्स जहाँ मुझे सब कुछ मिला है, सब अपने हिसाब से वाह 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 ऐसे हुआ है. But I think there are certain things which are non-negotiable, uh, not in a material way or something like that. लेकिन like I'm not aligning at all with said material or with this person. You know, I'm not aligning at all. That is something which मेरे से होता ही नहीं है. Like
Turn off.
I can't like working just for the sake of working, or probably like let's say like sometimes you've met certain producers who want to make a film with you know, but they want to do it for all the wrong reasons, and I'm like, no, I can't work with you, so I'm sorry, I can't work with you. And that's I'm not speaking politically or anything like that. It is just alignment.
Oh.
You know.
It's like if I'm not vibing with it, it's
Yeah. At all.
not meant for me.
At all. Like, you know, when I'm searching for things, कि यार इसमें क्या अच्छा है. When I'm at that point, then I know कि ये मैं तो नहीं कर सकता हूँ. मतलब भले ही I'm missing out on a bigger opportunity, भले ही मुझे बहुत पैसे मिल रहे या जो कुछ भी है, it's something which I have not been able to do. And I've also realized that even if I have said yes, really I have killed myself and said yes, that has not ended up happening for me. It has got shelved, और just before the shoot they're like नहीं postpone हो गया, और फिर वो वापस आया ही नहीं, या फिर वो वापस आया है लेकिन मैं busy हूँ किसी और चीज़ में. And your body tells you कि where you feel uncomfortable to the point कि like नहीं ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही मैं uncomfortable हूँ. Like your body, you listen to your body, it talks to you. So it's not one particular thing, but yeah, that's what it is.
And what do you do when you're not performing?
So many people have asked me this question. So many people, what do you do when you're not performing? And I've given the same answer. I'll give the same answer.
Don't get.
No, because that is what it is. I do everything from absolutely nothing to everything. Like absolutely nothing is really, sometimes I do nothing. Time pass I do. Actually I do. I watch a lot of stuff. I spend a lot of time with family and friends who I've not been in touch with physically for a long time, but who are like in my close circle. Travel is obviously there. Try to learn something new. Try to get into a new workout regime. जो चल रहा है उसको ब्रेक करके कुछ नया करो टाइप्स. Also, if I'm not performing, then everything that enables me to perform is being done. You're meeting people, you're listening to scripts, and you're trying to put things together. Yeah, but I last 3-4 years I've been doing it from multiple places. Matlab, then I'm not in the city. Like I'm not in Mumbai. Only when I have to come, then I come. Otherwise, I'm doing all of this distantly, as much as I can. But yeah, this is what I do. I cook. I eat a lot. I have a lot of people over for dinner and drinks and stuff. मैं खेलता हूँ बहुत. फुटबॉल खेलता हूँ. मतलब अगर मैं शूटिंग नहीं कर रहा हूँ तो मैं फुटबॉल खेलता हूँ बहुत. मतलब हफ्ते में 2-3 बार तो खेल ही लेता हूँ. Yeah, just things like this, yeah.
And like you have won a national award for the film June
For June, yes, 2020. Yeah.
2020.
2020.
2020.
हाँ, मतलब I got it, I received it in my hand in 22 क्योंकि लॉकडाउन और ये सब था. but for the year 2020.
Okay. But then, see, once you win this award, after that, what do you think? कि बोले ना वो बैगेज बन जाता है ओवर द टाइम, या फिर बोलते ना हाँ मुझे एक बार मिला है, आगे कैसे, या फिर लाइक हाउ इट इज फॉर यू?
नहीं, नेशनल अवार्ड का किसी भी चीज़ का बैगेज बन सकता है, एक हद तक बन भी जाता है. The thing is, in our country, if you get a national award, it's not like the people line up outside your house. And that's the truth of the thing. It depends how far the film has reached. You know, that's what decides the baggage. But yeah, I mean, my experience is that after that award, because the film, those who have watched it, um, they kind of know why I got that award. And those who have not watched it also, it's a that thing is there ki, he's a national award winning actor. And then there are expectations, but I think my expectations, which people have from me or I have from myself, is not only from that award, it's from doing good work consistently. You know, you don't want to spoil that. So yeah, that more than the national award baggage, the baggage of commercial success is way more. That's a bigger baggage. So yeah, but I think somewhere we get to choose our baggages. I think.
Depending on how you move forward and find
Yeah.
new opportunities.
Yeah. नहीं, क्योंकि ultimately you have to forget all of this. I think ये मिल गया, ये हो गया, ठीक है, अभी don't let that seep into the next decision. I mean, if I can operate from the same space of excitement and just wanting to tell a story, then I feel then I'm successful. I don't want to bring my baggage onto somebody or onto me also. You know, ये हुआ था एक बार. हाँ, जून के बाद ही हुआ था. मैं एक फिल्म कर रहा था जो होपफुली नेक्स्ट ईयर रिलीज़ होगी, कॉल्ड मैक्स मिन एंड म्याज़ाकी. ये मेरे डायरेक्टर को या किसी भी टीम मेंबर को पता नहीं है, लेकिन मेरा जो पहला दिन था, it was just after June released. I had not got the national award, but there was a lot of praise coming in, you know, a lot of praise, and that somehow got to me कि यार अभी जो कुछ भी मैं करूँ इसके आगे, ये उसी लेवल का होना चाहिए. And the first day of that film shoot, I went in with a lot of pressure, okay, on myself. And I was disappointed the whole day with whatever I was doing. It was not like the shoot wasn't happening or the director was saying, नहीं, it's wrong what you're doing. ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. Shoot was going on. But I was just like, you know, अरे यार
वैसा नहीं हो रहा है.
हाँ ये. And then I went back home that day, and this was a film that I really wanted to do. I really loved the script. I really loved the director. I really felt like this is a step up for me in terms of just doing this film in very many ways. I could see that this film is going to make a mark somewhere slowly, but it's going to do that in time. I was like, everything is okay, but why am I so unhappy about the day, you know? And that night I realized that I'm bringing in baggage from something that's done. This film is not going to be like that film. That film is done. It's gone. And if I bring that here, what this film can be, it's not going to happen. And who am I to judge whether it's greater or not? Let the audience judge that. And if it becomes better, great. If it doesn't, okay. I mean, I did my best. And I did it honestly. And from the next day, I had to consciously say कि नहीं यार वो भूल जाओ, वो जो पहले जो भी किया था वो भूल जाओ. उसके लिए स्पेस नहीं है यहाँ. That was a big lesson for me in terms. So that's how I'm So I feel like all of this led up to Dashavatar. I feel because now there is pressure, because everybody is like, oh, what is he going to do next? That's the thing. And I have a lot of things which were made before Dashavatar which are going to come. I'm human, right? I'm going to think कि oh God, इसका comparison होगा, ये होगा. लेकिन I just realize that it's just noise in my head. I'm proud that I did every film the way it was supposed to do, and every film will have its own success. And whatever I'm going to sign ahead has nothing to do with. Of course, it changes things. It changes. Success changes the business for you, right? Like how people approach you, what are the numbers being thrown on the table. All of these things kind of change, and that will happen. But I'm saying, if I can maintain that purity, that's the challenge there. So,
About Dashavatar. So, what is the biggest compliment that you have received so far?
the biggest compliment is that this is the best work of yours till date. That's the biggest compliment. And from audience members who have been, maybe they've not seen all of my work, but many audiences who have seen most of my work. And they've come and said that this is your best so far, which was very unexpected. Because for me, my best work is some other film. But I don't want to say which one that is, that remains with me. But I was like, oh, really? अच्छा, अरे ओके, लेकिन मैंने उस हिसाब से देखा ही नहीं, लेकिन उस हिसाब से मैंने किया भी नहीं.
तो समटाइम यू जज ना कि मतलब वो स्कोप ऑफ वर्क क्या है और ये फिल्म का स्कोप ऑफ वर्क है, एंड यू लाइक
Exactly.
वो पैरामीटर्स हो जाते हैं कि हाँ
अपने पैरामीटर्स पे जीते हैं, लेकिन
ऑडियंस को
हाँ, ऑडियंस को
फील करना इज कंप्लीटली
right, and not only them. I think a lot of the people from the fraternity have also told me, like a lot of the people from the fraternity have also another one which I really like is that आप बिग स्क्रीन पे ही रहना, छोटे स्क्रीन पे मत आओ आप. यू आर मेंट फॉर द बिग स्क्रीन, यू बी देयर. एंड दैट वाज समथिंग व्हिच आई रियली liked because I came here for the movies. I came here for the big screen. I'm not demeaning any other screen. They're all valid screens and valid mediums, and I'll be there also. But I came here for this. So when that came, it's so nice to see you on the big screen. I was like, thank God, thank God. Like, I'm like, yeah, that I will keep in mind. कि आना है तो बड़े पर्दे पर आना है, और अलग अलग किरदारों में और अलग अलग सेटअप्स में आना है, क्योंकि सिनेमा सिर्फ इवेंट फिल्म्स नहीं होते, बहुत अलग अलग टाइप की कहानियाँ होती है और फिल्में होती है जो बननी चाहिए. सारे कमर्शियल हिट्स नहीं होंगे, विच इज़ ओके, दैट्स द बिजनेस, दैट्स द वे इट इज़.
and what kind of legacy you want to create as an actor or an artist?
बाप रे, what a question.
हाँ मतलब like of course now from now since the success is there, everything is there, like we think कि हाँ आगे जाके I want to create something like this.
Sorry, I'm taking some time to think about this, but
I hope I asked a valid question.
अरे यार, what a question you asked actually. See, I think I think I want to be known at least as somebody who was truly unique in every way, and who took risks, and who was a part in pushing cinema forward as a whole. I think that is something which I would like to leave behind. Yeah, something like that. And also that he was a very nice person to work with.
Of course नहीं तो
सिड के साथ काम करना मज़ा आता है, like it's a good experience, and hopefully I leave that behind also, कि that anybody and everybody who's around me has had a good time. Not everything went right always, but they had a good time. That's something which I think.
I think that will stay with people you meet, like we meet in general also, right? Otherwise, काम किया हो गया.
हाँ काम किया हो गया. You can work like that. I mean, there are people who work like that and fair, very, very fair. Each person lives their life in a particular way. But I'd like to believe, I'd like to feel happy. I mean, I don't want to be a people pleaser to do that, but I'm just saying, in my original skin, whoever I am at that given point, कि लोगों को काम करने में मज़ा आया और देखकर अच्छा लगा, जो भी है. अगर पसंद ना भी आया हो, फिर भी उनको कुछ तो अच्छा अच्छा लगा कि इसको देख के अच्छा लगता है यार. ही इज ऑलवेज ब्रिंग समथिंग न्यू, ही इज ऑलवेज डूइंग समथिंग न्यू, ही इज ऑलवेज डूइंग something unconventional, which I don't know what that is actually. I don't know. I don't understand these things.
Because
What
everything is
conventional?
unconventional when it comes to you.
मतलब, yeah, I mean, I really don't understand what is really conventional and unconventional. And if I go down that hole, which I have gone, I sometimes feel I'm so conventional. Like, and people say that to me also. You know, you're very conventional. You're good looking boy next door. You know, you can dance also. You can do this rom-com and you can do this and that. But then at the same time, many people have told me you're very unconventional. You know, so I'm very confused about what I am. Like, मैं ये हूँ या वो हूँ. मैं इसे तुम लोग डिसाइड करो.
मैं मेरा काम.
मैं बस अपना काम करूँगा. मैं बस इतना प्रॉमिस करता हूँ कि जो कुछ भी मेरे पास आएगा उसको ऑनेस्टली और पूरे दिल से मैं करूँगा. दैट्स व्हाट आई कैन डू. बाकी आप लोग डाल दो जो बॉक्स में डालना है आपको. दैट्स इट. दैट्स व्हाट.
So Sid, thank you so much for coming over.
नो यार, थैंक यू. थैंक्स.
I was actually not expecting कि we will explore so many layers and so many things.
Even I wasn't, honestly, even I wasn't. Actually, the reason why I came here, I mean, sorry, I'm continuing, but the things that you wanted to touch upon were very unique because honestly, I've actually decided कि अभी मैं नहीं आऊँगा क्योंकि इतना प्रमोशन और इतना कुछ हो गया, इतना मैं बात कर चुका हूँ, अभी और क्या बात करूँ, ऐसा मेरा हो गया. बट thanks for asking these questions and, you know, bringing these topics. It was fun. I hope you have had fun, you all, and everybody behind the cameras also had fun. Thank you so much, yeah.
Thanks.
So I hope you had.
Yes, of course. This is more than we expected.
Oh, great! I'm happy. Super.
And that's a wrap. Real talk, real emotion, and zero pretense. If this episode made you think, smile, or breathe a little deeper, hit like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. This is In a Swank Way. See you for the next one.